pizza, cookie, and milk.
It says smoothies. Look, come here. Come here. It says say smoothies, and it says burger.
Yeah. So it's.
Say it again. What's
And
this?
the taco
Yeah.
says TACO.
Yeah. What's the burger?
BURGER.
And where's the pizza?
PIL.
No, P.I. You was right.
PIZZA.
And cookies. No, K.I.
KILES.
Yeah, K.I.E.S. Right?
Now milkshake.
No, that says
S-
smoothies. That says smoothies.
SMOOTHIES.
Good job. You don't want to share? You want to share with your sister? Huh? You want to share? Okay, look, you go to that window, let him come to this window. Okay, let's do that. Cause he's gonna cry. All right, here. Magic. Hey, you drive the car. Come on, drive. Come on.
I quit.
You don't quit. You quit. But we never quit. You know that. Be careful, you could have hit him with that. He just wants to play with you, Hala. He wants to play with you.
He's just an old man, aren't you?
Ice cream, corn.
Mandy, can I be the seller with you? No.
Mandy, Hala's the seller, because you're the climber in the yellow. Hala's the seller. It says open right here. Is it open for business?
Close.
Closed? Oh, it's closed?
No, just cancel.
Okay, it's open.
So what would you like? And fans, what would you like too? What would you like?
Ice cream.
Okay, we have it.
Ice cream. Look at the ice cream. Look at some ice cream. Look, a lot of ice cream. Ice cream. Eat it. Give me some.
No.
Give me some. Give me some ice cream. Give me some ice cream. Come here. Give me some ice cream.
And fans, you too.
Thank you.
Okay. What else would you like on this stupid menu?
Oh, I don't see it stupid. That's not a good word.
Well, since I'm a seller, I can say stupid.
I don't want to buy from something that's stupid. We have to be polite when we're selling. We have to be nice.
Well,
We have to be nice and kind and polite.
if there's a virus in here, I don't wear a mask.
Oh, I know there's a... Well, we're supposed to wear masks at the restaurant right now.
You know, my mask just fell on the ground.
Oh, okay. Well, we're inside, so we can pretend. Let me see.
I'm gonna
You
wash
have a taco? Create a taco?
Yes, I do.
Taco. Taco. Say taco.
I'm sorry, but the customers took my taco.
Bye.
I'm sorry, we didn't have a taco.
You ran out of tacos?
Yeah.
Okay. What about a burger?
We do have that.
You have a burger for? You have a burger for sale? All right. This is a good
It's for
burger.
free.
Yeah. Let's eat this burger.
Alright.
That's a good burger. What are you doing? What are you doing? No, I don't see it. Good night. Who hit you? Who's hitting you? Who hit your bum bum? No hitting. We're gonna serve food. Hey, look at you have food right here to serve. Look at this.
Oh
You could have served that.
yeah.
I can eat that as a burger.
And don't forget, we also sell some eggs.
All right, you got
I'm
eggs.
gonna go get more eggs from the store.
You can't
Do
get
you
that.
want to be my seller? Yeah. Okay. We both sell. So what would you like on our menu?
I think. Can you have any eggs?
Of
Yeah,
course
can you
we
make me
do.
eggs?
No, we don't cook them.
Oh wow. An egg for me?
I mean, just here, we cook them.
Okay, pass it through the window.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you. It's a burger.
Here's your egg.
Thanks for the burger.
Here's,
The burger.
and here's your egg.
Thanks for the egg.
Okay, are you done with them?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's put the stuff back. Okay, come back when you want us. We're almost gonna close.
Okay.
So bye.
Bye.
Like, comment, subscribe.
All right.
Peace out.